Hi, good afternoon. This is Stephanie Simerkader from BEd2B po. And today we're going to explore the Ibisia online games. So first, just click the Google, then search the Ibisia, just click it, and there you go. In finding some games, just scroll down and you will find lots of games, any kind of games. If there's some ads below, just click the X button. So, going to choose the Ducky Ray subtraction. Continue in browser, play, just turn around the phone, and there you go. Player um Mercader. Stop. Okay. Other games. Oh my God, ano siya? Let's explore other games. Okay, we have here. Let's choose this. Continue in browser. Just click the play button. Just click the X button for in ads. X. Play. Fine. Yes. Okay, thank you for watching po. That is the end of our presentation. Thank you.